Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Melage software for precise image segmentation. Today I'll show you how to effectively segment an image using multi-view functionality that includes the coronal, sagittal, and axial view. We begin by loading the image into Melage. This sets the stage of our segmentation process. Okay, I'm loading it. With the image loaded, you can see it displayed in three views: coronal, sagittal, and axial. These views are crucial for comprehensive analysis and precise segmentation. We will zoom into the specific area of interest within the image, focusing on thalamus to demonstrate target segmentation, as we are going to segment thalamus. Okay. I'm going to activate the link tool or synchronization part. Okay. It synchronizes the views. This means when I'm clicking on a point in one view, the corresponding points in the other views are highlighted. This synchronization aids in ensuring precision across different perspectives. Look how it's working. As we activate this tool and we are going to segment thalamus, we are going to observe how I can segment thalamus using this tool. So first of all, I need to change from the combined mode to another mode, for example thalamus, and then I'm going to select the contour. Okay, I am going to segment as I am moving the mouse, so I can see what area is showing on the other two views. So now I segmented. If I made a mistake, or I can actually refine the image by using tools undo, or I can do it by removing this using eraser. If I'm going to segment another area, for example corpus callosum, so I am going to create a new index for that, and then number 4 and CC for corpus callosum. And now I can segment it. So if I choose this polygon mode, after that I need to close the polygon. Okay, I can continue with contour mode, and if I use the markers, so if I increase the marker size, you can see that the kind of contour would be changed to this, which is suitable for our task. Okay, you can see how it can segment. So it can easily segment this corpus callosum area. I can increase or decrease the segmentation intensity to see the image. For example, I can see that I made a mistake here, so I can remove it. Okay, it's easy. And after that, if I want to save image, I can save image, or I can save all the project, so for the future. And if I have activated this tool, so I can see what areas have been segmented. So in this tutorial, you can see how you can segment. You have seen how you can segment the image with Melage, and I hope you find this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the future tutorials.